With that much energy, they're gonna die. Make some noise for our volunteers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain to you what's about to happen. But first, before I explain to you what's about to happen, can everybody look at this camera right here in the building? The police will send us a $250 ticket if we don't have our crowd at the cones. It's very spread out. You guys are blocking the businesses back here. They'll give us a $250 ticket. They're taking pictures of us at all times. Please just help us out and move up. Thank you, guys. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain to you what our famous grand finale is. We have our high flyer right here. He's one of the youngest members in the group. All right, he's gonna fly from this side of the stage. Oh my God! People make some noise! Now, everybody clap like this. This is our last and final move. Everybody, get your cameras ready. We're about to everybody clap. Can we get you guys to fill in this space right here? It looks crazy. Thank you. Can y'all move in? Everybody, move up right here.